Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is more for either the serious DIYer or the detailing professional. It's regarding the Scangrip Multimatch 2. This is a second generation, I think they're in the third or fourth now, second generation special light used in detailing to show defects in paint and things that other standard LED, other lights just can't show. We use them in our shop. We probably have about a dozen of them. These lights are very expensive. They're anywhere from $300 to $500 for the larger ones. This light you see here is only the only second generation one we have. Others have shared a similar issue, being that the battery in this particular version sucks. All the Scangrips were originally made in Denmark. The original ones were amazing with fantastic batteries, but ever since 2007, they're all made in China, batteries included. So I called up our US distributor about getting a replacement, and I was in shock when they said it was going to be over $150 plus shipping plus tax, so about $175 to replace the battery. And I thought to myself, these are made in China, so many of these Chinese goods with rechargeable lithium-ion batteries use the good old cheap Chinese 18650 rechargeable cells. Rechargeable drills by Milwaukee, DeWalt, Flex, Makita, they all use these cells, just a number of them, to get it up to 18 volts or 24 volts or what have you. Well, we popped the back off of this, and sure enough, it's just a standard pack of 6 18650 cells. I hopped on Amazon to find one, and $58 later, it showed up at my doorstep. The connector was a little different, so you can either depin and repin, or you can just cut and splice or use a butt connector, your choice, but be careful when doing so as you're dealing with batteries that pack quite a punch. You can see here that the connectors are a little bit different, still 2-wire, same wire size. You can either depin and repin if you have the proper tools, or you can just cut one at a time. Don't cut them together because you are dealing with positive and negative terminals on a battery. You can have some sparks or some meltdowns. Be careful. But you can see identical size, everything else. There's my depinning tool. I tried to depin it at first, and I just gave up and did a splice like that. Put it right back in. 4 screws, hold it in, plug the light back in, put it back on, 4 screws holding that down, and we will test it out. Because it has a higher capacity now, it does take a slight bit longer to charge, but not significantly. Maybe about 10 or 15 minutes longer. But then of course, the benefit there, you'll have a longer runtime too. So I got it all put back together, fired right up, and it works just fine. When I tested it charging several times, it doesn't get hot, doesn't overheat, works reliably. So here's our fix for a little over $50 instead of $150 to $175. So didn't see a video out there on how to do that, and this is a way to save you some money. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.